I made this beautiful end grain cutting board for wifey. But then for the little board, this is all she got. We have some cut-offs, leftovers from the big board. So let's make another board for her to match this one. First I gotta split the leftover board in half. Goes pretty smoothly. After I split the boards, look, this one's perfectly flat, but this one is totally cupped. Need to joint it. Well, thankfully, it's the one that's slightly thicker. Great. All right, joint the board. Cut off the edges carefully. And we're off to gluing. Never have enough clamps, that's for sure. Yeah, I like this little scraper I got. Since this is edge grain, I can just send it through the planer. Yay! Faster and easier. Just a couple of passes ought to do it. Yep, looking good. Alright, cut off the edges, square it off. I don't know why it's out of focus. Alright, we're off to sanding, raising the grain, and then sanding some more. Sand, 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 sand. And my favorite part, OD's oil. Just gotta rub it on the board. Takes a few minutes, but it's worth it. Then wait a couple hours and, well, rub it on. And then after a few hours, buff it off. There we have it. Perfect. Perfect match. It looks great.